Hello everyone, this is the one box break of 11-12 Panini Contenders. Show you the serial number is 9816. Alright, here we go. Hope we got some mojo for everybody. Teams listed on Facebook. Good luck. Got a hit for the Sharks. Patrick Marleau, NHL Inc. Show both cameras. Nice hit for the Sharks. Pack number 2. So we got all base pack, decoy. Yep. Oh, he did, Grant? Yeah, this product has a lot of base. Another all base pack. We have a Cup Contenders for the Red Wings, Nicholas Lidstrom of $9.99. Base. Another all base pack. We have for the Winnipeg Jets, Contenders rookie auto of Mark Scheifele. Show the camera. Funny today. All right, here we go. Cup Contenders for the Sharks. Dan Boyle, $9.99. Base. Another base pack. Another all base pack. Another all base pack. You can get another auto or two in this. Base. Under 5 packs left, I believe. Got for the Nashville Predators, Calder Contenders of Ryan Ellis, number 800. And the base. Another hit. For the New Jersey Devils, Calder Contenders, Adam Larson of 800. Okay, got 4 packs left. For the New York Rangers, Mark Messier, Contenders Legacies. Another all base pack. Okay, got the last final pack. Good luck, everybody. For the Washington Capitals, Calder Contenders rookie 99 Tom Ford. All right, thanks everyone.